heart of gold. A good woman with a heart of gold. A selfless woman with a pure heart. A beautiful woman with a pure heart. A poor woman with a heart of gold. My heart is broken, child. My heart is troubled. This is too much for Nonye. The pain is too much for Nonye.
So that is the last proposal from Terry Chemical Limited.
I'm not blind, mister.
Sorry, sir.
What was that message you sent to me on my phone?
Oh, okay. It's about my salary, sir. Yes, you know, it's been 7 months now since I received my salary.
Just imagine yourself. So it doesn't bother you how this company is sinking in a sea of recession and all you talk about is just your salary.
Sir, I am sorry, but we are humans. Yeah? I don't want you to misunderstand me. But I have bills to pay. My son's school fees, my house rent.
Enough!
So you're suspending me indefinitely? So this is not right. How can up and doing? Yeah, I've worked diligently for this company. So what is happening?
Kajetan, as you can see, we need to cut down on workers here.
So this is not fair. This is not fair at all. I've suffered for this company. I've worked so hard for this company. Yes, sir. Why this? Why now?
Kajetan, there's nothing I can do. It's a decision we've made.
Please, try and do something about this. Please, you can. You know me. You know how much I've worked for this company, sir. So this is not fair. Please. I have people I'm taking care of.
There is nothing I can do about this. I've told you. It's a decision taken already. You can excuse me.
So can I have my 7 months salary?
As for your salary, once it's ready, I'll call you up for it.
So don't do this now. This is not fair now. Eh?
Kajetan, you can excuse me now. Leave. Security, make sure Kajetan lives in this environment immediately. You can leave.
I'm seeing darkness, not light. I'm seeing darkness, not light. What we are doing is not right. Oh God, look at where I found myself.
why you're back so early? What is it? What is it? Why are you walking like that? What? Why? Why would they sack you? Did you pay your 7-month salary? No. No. This is sheer wickedness now. Eh? Why would they be so cruel? You've given your everything, your time, everything. Why would they treat you this way?
Hi, this is not fair. God, this is not fair. Eh? Human beings are so wicked. God, this is not fair. You're watching, oh. You're watching.
Don't worry. I'll go and see him tomorrow. It's okay. Let's go inside. It's fine.
And I believe that at this point in time, your family needs you to elevate your life.
Sorry, sir, I don't understand.
Come see me tomorrow at the original hotels and make it a secret. I believe you're supposed to know what I'm talking about.
This is ridiculous. What are you saying? Are you asking me to give you my body before you can pay my husband for his services? Eh? A man that worked week in, week out for you. Sir, this is unbelievable.
You need to give your family a better life.
My God will visit you in his anger. You're a wicked man. God will judge you. My God will judge you. He has suffered enough. He has to stop. I have to do something.
Wow, beautiful. Come in. In fact, I have a lot to do in your life so you can help your husband. Seriously. Come. Why not take this off? Let me see what is inside there. Please, just take it off. Please.
Hey!
So this is true?
No.
You've been sleeping with my Oga at my back?
No.
No?
Eh?
No, yeah? Get one. You. Okay.
Honey? 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 You need to hear me out, please. Let me explain.
What is it? What?
Honey, honey, please. Hear me out, honey. Honey, please. Honey.
Honey? What is it? Honey, come. Guinea. What is it? What? Honey?
He's here for his house rent.
Shinegimi, what do we tell him?
What are you going to tell him before?
Here, where?
Tell him that I'm not around.
We are around.
Baby, I'm not around, yeah? Stop it.
Money no, yeah?
Stop it.
Hold on. Hold on.
Nanya is a blessing from above. Nanya is a blessing from above. A good woman with a heart of gold.
What did you do to her? Huh?
My God! Are you mad? My car did not touch her. Hey! Are you okay? Can you help me? Let me lift her up to the hospital. Are you mad?
Okay, yeah.
Hello? Are you okay? Get up. Get up. Just help me. Help me.
Ma'am, you have nothing to worry about. We've done all the necessary things needed to be done, and she'll be okay. Just calm down, okay?
Thank you.
I have to go now. I have other patients to attend to.
It's all right, doctor.
Hey, what happened? No. Please. Just relax. Please. Thank you. Just stay like that. Oh, you scared me. Who are you? You ran into my car. What were you thinking?
long story. My husband lost his job. My son is being sent out of school. The landlord is on the one night for his rent. I don't have anybody to rent. Nobody to help us. We are suffering.
It's alright. No, it's okay, calm down. I'm sorry, okay? So sorry about that, please. I don't want you to cry in your condition now, please. You're not feeling too well. Sorry about that. How much is the rent?
85,000 naira.
85,000?
Yes.
Just that?
Oh, we don't have it.
Chai. It's alright. I'll get you the rent now, okay?
Madam.
Stay like that! Are you... Do not put me in trouble. Please. Listen. I'm going to give you this. All of it. Did I not tell you not to get up?
You cannot tell me to relax when I'm seeing money.
You have drink.
Oh my God.
Take. Pay for your rent. The remaining one, use it and take good care of yourself, please.
All this money.
Listen, lie down. You have drip.
I've seen money and telling me to relax. Eh?
What is it? Why are you crying?
Dad, they sent me out of school.
They sent you out of school?
Yes, Dad.
At this time of the day? Why?
Dad, my school fees.
Why are these people behaving like this? I told them that I'm going to give them the money by next week.
And my exam is starting soon.
Bobo, it's okay. I am going to pay your school fees. Okay? Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. You're back already? Oh, you're welcome, eh?
Thank you.
Listen, give me
Honey, you have to help me thank this auntie. Help me thank her very well. She gave me our house rent. Complete.
Oh, thank you, ma. Thank you for the house rent. Thank you so much.
It's really nothing. Your wife told me you lost your job.
Yes. What will I do? I've left everything for God. But I know someday I will still win.
Yes.
God is in control.
Alright, what's your discipline? Never mind.
I now want to know.
Relax. my car. Come to my office tomorrow. I have a job for your husband.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you so
please.
much. Thank you.
Stop
My God will
this.
bless you. My God will bless you.
Thank you, ma.
Hey, thank you, ma. Thank you.
Get up.
Thank
Get
you.
May God bless you, ma.
Hey, my God will
Thank you
bless
so
you.
much.
It's all right.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's all right. No problem.
Hey,
It's okay.
Where is Bobo?
he's at home.
Hey.
Yes, I came to pick some things for him. Actually, they sent him out of school because of.
Who is Bobo?
He's
our
my
son.
son.
Oh, I see. How much is his school fees?
Just 25,000 naira.
Honey, you just in where?
It's from
Don't call it just. You don't have it.
Chill, come. Calm down. Never mind. This is 50,000 naira. Take.
You've already done much for us.
Come on, take.
Jesus. Jesus Christ.
Thank you, ma.
You're such a good person.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. May
You're
God
not
bless
going to kneel again.
May God bless you.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It's all
You're a
right.
very nice woman.
Okay. All
Thank
right.
you,
You've
thank
thanked
you,
enough.
thank
Hop
you.
in. Let me drop you guys.
Please. Please help me. Please help me over this. God, I know that I'm very weak. But please, you just have to help me. I do not want this to happen. Please.
Honey,
Hey, babe.
when did you come back? I
Not
heard
too
your
long.
voice.
Yeah, not too long I came in.
So you're smiling. How did it go? Did she give you the job?
She said I should come back with my CV.
Well, let's start going. Go and give her the CV now. Go now.
Babe, tomorrow. But I don't think I would want to go back there.
Mahagenezi. No, honey, you're going to go back there. This is a golden opportunity. And you should grab it with both hands. You're going to go and give her your CV. If she asks you to bring your CV, it means she simply wants to be formal. And I don't see anything wrong with that. It's not bad.
I really need to think about it.
Mbao. Mba. There is nothing to think about. You are going there tomorrow to give her your CV. You are going to give her your CV. I'm in the kitchen. Let me finish up and bring something for you to eat.
Hi. Please sit.
Thank
You
you.
are not looking bad.
Thank you. My CV.
I I have something to tell you, and I'm sure you won't be surprised. I am attracted to you. Now listen, if you let me in, I will take good care of you. I will take care of everything about you. Your family, your needs, your bills, everything, name it. I will.
Mom, please, I need this job and I'm ready to take whatever you're going to offer me.
Oh, please. Stop acting ignorant of what I'm saying. Come on. Take a good look at you. You are a cute man. Believe me, every woman would want to have you.
Mom, please, please. Please stop this. I am not ready for this.
What nonsense. If you are not ready for this, then what are you doing in my office? Get out. Oh, come here.
Mom, please, please, this is not good, please.
Oh, come on.
Stop. Excuse me.
Hey, you listen to me. If you walk out of that door, don't you ever come back.
Thank you.
What a man. Poverty has taken over his head. Rubbish. I have never lost. Oh my goodness, I will get him.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What is it? Why is your face like this? Eh? Come inside. Come.
Mama is very sick.
Eh?
Yes.
Mama is sick.
Yes, she's been very sick.
Is this serious?
Papa told me to come and get money from brother so we can take her to the hospital.
Hey! What kind of problem is this? Eh? And my husband is not around. He went to look for a job. He has not been working for a while now.
So what do I do now? What do I do?
Don't worry, come inside and drop your bag. Let me give you something to eat. Eh? Oh, he's here. Honey? What is it? Huh? Why is your face like this?
I told you it would not work. That woman is arrogant and...
Calm down.
Brother, welcome.
Chima, how are you?
I'm not fine.
How? What do you mean?
Chima.
Yes, brother.
This one, you're here and your face is like this. What is going on? What is it?
Brother, Mama is very sick. She has been very sick.
That's why he came home. He said Mama is very sick. And Papa sent him to come and collect money for her hospital bills. Eh? I don't just understand what is going on. I don't know.
My dear, I can't kill myself, oh.
Chima, please just go and keep your bag, oh? I'm coming to give you something to eat. I'm coming now. What happened? Eh?
I don't like the way the woman talks to me. She talks to me anyhow. That woman is arrogant. Eh? Very arrogant. I've not even started work. And she's treating me like a slave.
Calm down. I know you to be a very humble man who can adapt in any condition, anywhere at all. Eh? What do you want to do with her attitude? What do you want to do with her behavior? Nothing. You are there for work. We need this job. Put her attitude aside and focus on this job. We need money. We need this job.
My dear, I am not going back there again.
Honey.
Because I've already told her to her face that she's arrogant.
Hey! You told her that?
Yes, to her face.
Hey! Honey, you have killed me. You have killed me.
Very arrogant. Eh?
Hey! Why would you do a thing like that now? Why would you tell your own boss that she is arrogant?
Am I not a human being? Why must she talk to me like that?
No, now that is wrong. Who are you that she don't talk to you like that? Who are you?
Human being.
Biko, please. I don't know you to be like this. Eh? You're a very homely man. You know we need this job. We're going to go there and beg her. Let's go and beg her before she gives that job to somebody else.
Babe, I am not going back there with you.
Honey, you're going, no?
I am not.
You are going with me.
I will not.
If you're not going to follow me to that woman's office to beg her, then I will leave this house and not come back. What do you mean? We need this job. You say you don't want to go and beg her.
Babe, she's arrogant.
What do you want to do with her arrogance?
I cannot
Yeah, come in. Come in.
Good afternoon, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma. Thank you.
Please sit.
Thank you, ma. Ma, I am very sorry to disturb you. First, I want to start by saying thank you very much for the other day. I really appreciate it, ma. God bless you.
Come on. It's really nothing. How is your boy?
He's fine. He went to school.
Okay, good. So,
Ma, please.
Oh, get up, please. Get up.
Please, ma. I want to apologize on behalf of my husband for whatever he must have said to you earlier. Please forgive, ma. He's not really like that. He's a very humble man. I'm sure he spoke out of frustration. I'm very sorry, ma. Please forgive him. Please, ma.
It's all right.
Hey.
I have forgotten about that completely.
Thank you so much,
No,
ma.
come on. Get up.
Thank you, ma. God bless you. Thank you.
Get up, please.
Thank you, ma.
Like I said, I have forgotten about that, okay?
Okay, ma.
It's really nothing. I understand his situation. Okay? So
yes, ma, thank you. Okay, I'll be on my way now, ma.
Hold on. Please sit.
Thank you.
is your husband's appointment letter, so he can start with us from tomorrow.
Ma? Appointment letter?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. My God will bless you. You're such a good woman. Thank you. Thank you so much. My God bless you. I really do appreciate. Thank you, ma.
It's all right. Oh, come on, please. Just get up. Please sit.
My God. God bless you. God bless you, ma. My God will bless you.
Amen. I do not like that tears. Please. It's really nothing.
It's something, oh. It's something. Thank you. Okay, I'll just go give it to him.
Alright, just hold on. I'll give you Tife. Tife.
Oh, no, you don't have to. I can walk home. It's not that far. I can.
You don't have to. Okay. Right, take it. Just make do with it.
Jesus. Ma? All this for me? Hey. Hey. This is too much.
Are you still going to kneel? Come on. He's alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. My God. My God bless you. You're a good woman. Thank you. How's that going? Jesus.
You said blessing from above. You said blessing from above.
Your appointment letter. You can start work tomorrow. Go and take Mama to the hospital.
Are you serious?
Start going.
Okay. Let me carry my bag.
Are you sure you want me to do this?
Abide by any rule she gives you. She is your boss.
It's a good thing that your wife understands that nothing goes for nothing in life. She is a very smart woman, believe me. A woman who doesn't want to die in abject poverty. Very smart woman.
I am here to work.
I want over 700 million naira. I can change your life in the twinkling of an eye. I can take you to Dubai or Bahamas for a short rest. I will get you a car. I will get you a very classy apartment. For us, at least whenever we want to have a quiet time, we'll go over there and rest.
Am I a gigolo?
How would you feel if I pay in the sum of 3 million naira into your account as we speak. Let's have lunch this afternoon. At least let's start from there.
Where is my office?
The last door in the passage.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that hot guy? Is that hot guy?
Don't you ever look at him when next you see him?
Oh, come on. Sugar mommy number one.
Don't call me that again.
Well, he is cuter than Baron.
Oh, Baron is just an egg. Let's talk business.
Okay, so I would be paying in 10 million today, and I want my goods delivered tomorrow morning.
Consider it done.
Good. In that case, are you coming for the party tonight?
Hell no. I have an important thing to take care of.
Oh, something fresh you would say.
Shut up.
Oh, please. Give me something to drink.
Idiot. Waiter!
Why are you calling waiter?
Oh, relax. Get another bottle of Moet.
No.
Yes. Oh, come on,
I am done with this.
Are you sure?
No, I'm good.
Our table can be empty. Come on, let's drink. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Have to drink, okay? So what are you thinking?
Nothing.
All right. I have instructed the maid to prepare something special for our dinner.
Mine are going home tonight.
No. From here we're going to a party.
Oh.
And after the party we're going home. Very late.
I'm not used to all that.
Oh, come on. Relax. I know. But you are going to get used to it soon. Believe me. Come on, CJ. Drink, sweetheart. Drink. Oh, my glass is becoming empty. My Superman, come on. You couldn't even let me rest last night. You're such a strong. Oh, please, come on.
Stop.
What?
What we did was a mistake. Right? I just cheated on my wife.
Oh, stop that. Stop talking like a kid, because you're not one. You did not cheat on your wife. Relax. Wife here and there. Is she more beautiful than I am? Is she? When last did that your wife bake properly with a good soap? When? I'm asking you. Oh, come on, you should be happy. You should be grateful that I allowed you into my shit.
You don't know what it means to cheat on an innocent spouse.
Oh, shut up! Innocent my foot. If you think that she is going to be upset when she finds out, then let me start sending her your nude pictures. Even your video where you were trying so hard to deform me. What rubbish.
Oh God, look at me, I found myself.
It is a blackmail now. It is a blackmail now.
Anyways, get ready, we are traveling to Port Harcourt this morning. Chill, I'm not a bad woman, okay? I am going to introduce you to prominent men and women. So that you can stop thinking like a white boy. Stop reasoning like a wildy guy.
What we are doing is not right.
Just relax, okay?
Oh God, look at me, I found myself. Oh, poverty, poverty, me go me face. Yeah, my joker.
He's not yet back.
He's not back. Hey, what do? I don't know what to do.
Have you tried his office line?
I don't have it. It was just a few days ago I met the woman that gave him the job.
A woman?
Hey, it's a lady, oh. I don't know what to do. Eh?
You have to go to her office now to check her. You have to go now before it's too late.
Yeah, right. Hey, honey, what is it? Are you okay? Eh? I've been calling your number now. Get busy. What happened now? Get him, Hey.
I'm so sorry.
Mama.
Yeah, I'm so sorry, okay? Something happened.
Welcome, sir.
Something happened. What is it? Are you hot?
It's okay, I'm fine. How are you?
I was worried. I was very worried. My sister, thank you. Oh, thank you. Hey, honey, you got me worried.
It's okay, eh?
Let's go inside so I'll get you something to eat.
Just look at him, with guilt all over his face. He has been caught in the web of that lady. I'll see you later, oh!
With a heart of gold.
It's been 6 days now.
All he does is send text.
I've not heard his voice. I don't know. I feel there's something going on that he'll want to discuss with me. But he doesn't know how to say it.
Something like what?
I don't know.
Perhaps you know and you don't want to say. Let me not say more.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
I thought you said his boss is a lady.
Yes.
And they went to Port Harcourt together.
Yeah. Wait. Uvi, are you by any chance suspecting that my husband's boss is occupying him?
My darling, use your tongue to count your teeth.
No, Uvi, please. My husband is not like all these men. He's different. And I wouldn't want you to discuss this any further.
Okay. I'm sorry. I have to go to my house and I have to go and cook for my husband. By the way, guess what? Guess now. You're looking too serious. Guess. Nay. My husband and I will soon be relocating to Warri. We are just praying for his transfer to work out. Honestly speaking,
This
so
is
happy.
good news.
Yeah, it's good news.
And don't worry, to work out in Jesus' name.
Amen. Alright, take care of yourself. I have to go now, eh? I'll see you later.
I'm seeing darkness, not light.
This is slavery. This is slavery. I can't take this anymore. I can't just take this anymore. I have to let her know that I have to go. She can blackmail me for all I care. I will apologize to my wife. This is slavery.
Poverty have ruined my life.
I want to go.
To where?
I want to go home. I need to see my people.
What do you mean? What about us?
Us? What do you mean by us? For how long are we going to do this? For how long? For how long do you expect me to leave my wife to wallow in loneliness and poverty? While I spend my time and my life in another woman's house?
How are you? Are you mad? By the way you speak to me, you idiot. Don't forget I can lock you up. I can even kill you here and right now. Nobody will ask of you. Nobody.
I am not your slave. So you don't have any right to slap me.
If you utter a word, I will redesign your face with another slap. Rubbish.
I don't blame you at all. I blame poverty and bad governance. I don't blame you at all.
In case you've forgotten, I still have your nude peaches.
I am not scared of all that again. Yes, you can do whatever you want to do with it. I will apologize to my wife and she will forgive me.
Right, I'm sorry. Calm down, CJ. I'm sorry for slapping you. Listen, the truth of the matter is I have fallen deeply and madly in love with you. True. I cannot even stay a minute without seeing you. It's not possible. Please.
I don't want to do this. even if we were going to do it, not in such degrading manner. It's so irresponsible of me to have left my wife for 2 weeks. Oh my God. Oh.
At least you're responsible here.
What are you insinuating?
CJ, I'm pregnant. Yes.
What?
We're going to have a baby.
Hey. I love that more.
Oh, don't talk like that.
You just put me into trouble. God.
What do you mean by that? Do you realize what I can do for you because of this? You? Come on. CJ, I'm going to make you one of the richest men in this town. Believe me. Come on, I'm going to give you my house, my oil mill, my microfinance bank. Everything, name it, everything will be yours. Please. Please. Don't leave me, please.
She's serious about this. What do I do now? I just have to act smart. Accept the pregnancy. Get her change the document to my name. And then I will run away with my wife and son. Okay, so what are we going to name our son?
How did you know it's a boy? You know, I saw it in my dream. Did you?
No.
So?
My instincts.
Alright, we are going to name him CJ Jr.
Good. Nice one.
So from today, you will become the MD of my company.
What?
Yes. Once we return to base, I'll make it official.
Wow. That's nice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm going to give you an official card.
Yeah. Nice one.
That's good. But, you do not have to mess with me. Believe me, my watchmen are everywhere. They're going to keep an eye on you. Sweetheart, any silly games from you, you'll become a dead man. Have I made myself clear?
Clear. Yeah.
All right. Wait for me, I'm coming.
Okay.
That's the only way I can trust you. We are going to do something now. Why is your face like that?
Oh no, I'm good.
All right then, give me your hand.
Huh?
Come on. That's the only way I can trust you.
Oh!
Sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you, sweetheart.
Damn!
Would you say it, please? Do it now. Yeah. Okay.
I'm confused.
Forget.
I am a slave in the hands of Delilah. Someone please come and help me out from the hands of Delilah.
Yeah, we've sealed it. That's the only way I can trust you completely. Oh dear, gosh. Oh, come on, stop frowning. Come here.
I'm seeing darkness, not light.
Come here.
I'm seeing darkness, not light. None is a blessing from above. None is a blessing from above. A good woman with a heart of gold. A good woman with a heart of gold. A selfless woman with a pure heart. A beautiful woman with a pure heart. A poor woman with a heart of gold. God, why all these troubles? Why all these pains? My heart is broken, child. My heart is troubled. This is too much for Nanye. The pain is too much for Nanye. Who will help her in this situation? Nanye is a blessing from above. Nanye is a blessing from above. A good woman with a heart of gold. A good woman with a heart of gold. A selfless woman with a pure heart. A beautiful woman with a pure heart. A poor woman with a heart of gold. Nanye is a blessing from above. Nanye is a blessing.
Orange. That's naira. If you say they sell am, no problem. Come. Bye, eh?
selfless woman with a pure heart. A beautiful woman with a pure heart. A poor woman with a heart of gold.
My daughter, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
I beg, make you help me. Since morning, I never chop. Eh? I don't waka. Nothing, help me, I beg.
I never really sell today. I never really sell anything today. And I take worry.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you. Hey.
Just take this one, yeah? Manage am.
Hey.
Leave for go house, go rest. Tomorrow,
My
another day.
daughter, thank you so much. Thank you. You see, since I dey waka for this market, I don waka. Nobody don't give me anything. Not even water sef, nobody did give me. Now you give me this one, so now God go bless you.
Bless you too.
Yeah? You go see what God go do for you for this thing wey you do for me.
Amen.
Thank you.
Yeah, make you dey go so you go rest, eh?
Na true you talk, oh.
Tomorrow another day.
Oh, na true. Na true you talk. Tomorrow na another day. Make I go rest, eh? Thank you. God will bless you.
Bless you too.
We have those that break our hearts and those that mend them. That face, the pain. She's too young to carry such pains.
If only I go fit see my husband, even as a beggar.
My daughter, wetin I hear you talk just now?
No. No be you I dey talk to. I dey talk to myself.
I know say no be me you dey talk to, but you talk something, make you talk am again.
Sir, na my husband since he travel. He leave me and my son to dey suffer. He never come back.
My daughter, no cry. You hear? No cry. Make you no worry. He go come back. You hear? God go bless you.
Amen.
God go bless you.
This life is full of wickedness. I mean, how can she carry such a burden with a tray of oranges on her head? She's too young for that.
For weeks now. I have not set my eyes on him since he went to Port Harcourt with his boss. I have called severally, sent text, everything. He doesn't pick, nor return my calls.
You know what?
Honestly, Mama, I am beginning to get so worried. I had to go to his office today because 2 days ago I realized that his phone was switched off, and even up to now it's still switched off. So today I decided to go to his office to find out if he's back or anything. But on getting there, the way the gate man sounded was a bit suspicious. Ha!
Oh? Hi! Again. Have you called the mother? Have you told him his mother?
I have not, Mama.
You have to. In case of any twist, they will not claim ignorance of it. You know, go here. Oh.
Any twist? Like how, Mama?
You might not know what they call. Men are corny. He may be doing this intentionally.
But why? Why would he be doing it intentionally? I have not done anything bad to him.
You don't even have to do anything wrong to him. And all I'm suggesting is that you need to go and tell his parents. Don't even waste time doing that. Are you getting me? Because you will tell the parents, let them be aware. By the way, Bobo.
Mama, Bobo is fine. It's just that they'll be starting a new term by next week.
Oh, then, ma, I will make our time to come and see you. You know go? You know go? One day. They have to know. I could say my name. Can you metal again? Oh, can you metal again? Oh, my bottle of finte.
Don't worry, I am not.
Won't you eat? Imanly.
My food is my problem.
Yeah.
It's okay. Let me start going then.
Okay.
I'll come and see you before I go back to the city.
So, okay, no problem.
Mama, good morning. Good morning. Papa, good morning.
Good morning. How are you? Please sit down.
I am fine, Papa. Mama, I am great, you know.
Hi, Sir Bobo. How is he?
He's fine.
And your husband? We have not heard from him for over a month now.
Papa, that is why I am here. Since my husband started his new work, I don't understand him anymore. I don't. Well, I wouldn't blame him. He has gotten a new job, so it had made him forget about us. Would you believe that for the past 3 weeks, we have not heard from him?
Where did he go?
Papa, he said he was going to Port Harcourt with his new boss. That was a day after he had resumed work. And since then, I have called, sent texts, sent voice notes. He does not return any.
Wait, Nonye. Have you gone to the workplace to go and check if they are back from Port Harcourt?
Papa, I have. I met the security man there and he told me that he has not seen him. But he's very sure he'll be fine since he's with Madame.
It's all right. Call him now.
Papa, it's like you don't understand what I'm saying. His phone has been switched off for the past 3 days.
Switched off. Strange. Does it mean he lost his phone or what?
I don't know, Papa. I don't know. I don't know.
It's all right. It's all right. I know what to do. I will send message across to the secretary of our Thanks Union. He will do something about it.
Please, Papa. I am so worried. I am worried. Because even if his phone is missing, I know he has my phone number offhand.
It's all right. It's okay. I will do something about it, okay?
Eko, please.
I want you to go home and take care of Bobo.
I'll be on my own.
It's okay, my dear. Take care of Bobo.
Eh? So, you will allow her leave this house after this cock and bull story? After rendering my son useless? You want to allow her leave this compound up here? Omame.
Adako, she has not said your son is missing.
So what did she say then? He's hiding up here? I know your plans. I'm a making a plan. You have rendered my son useless. You want to go and marry another man up here? Omame. Omame. My son. Adako! Where is my son? Where is my son?
Mama.
Adako, leave her alone. No, let her provide my son.
Mama, I don't...
Shut up! I told him you are bad luck. I don't believe, bro. Now it has failed you. Your magic has failed you. Where is my son?
Mama, please. Please just leave me. I'm not feeling too strong.
So when you provide my son, I will leave you alone. Yes!
Mama, if I knew where he...
Mama, what's going on?
Your brother is missing. And she doesn't want to tell us where he is. Tell me where my son is.
Mama, leave her alone now. Brother can never be missing.
My neck. Leave her alone now. If she runs, I will hold you.
Mama, leave her alone.
You see now.
Mama.
Where is my son? Yes, provide your brother. Since you allow her to run.
Mama, stop.
Stop what?
Can you just stop it?
Stop, Kenny.
Were you not the one brother called the other day to tell you that he'll be coming home to see you with his boss? What's wrong with you, Mama?
Sebapwa, come on, get out.
Why are you doing this, Mama? Doing this?
Tell me more. Adako, you know he has not called his family all this while. Okay.
Mama, why do you
something is wrong? Something is wrong somewhere.
My heart is broken. This is too much for Nonye. The pain is too much.
Mommy, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Has it been long you came back?
Yes, Mom.
Sorry, oh? Go inside.
Mommy, are you crying?
Get me water. Fast, get me water.
Fast.
Why all these troubles? Why all this pain? My heart is broken. My heart is troubled. This is too much for Nonye. The pain is too much for Nonye. Who will help her in this situation?
Nonye! Nonye! Go and call Mama Kelechi. Go and call Mama Kelechi. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Nonye! 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 Nonye, open your eyes. Nonye! 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 Baba! Baba, hurry up, Baba! Nonye! Nonye!
Nurse, ma'am, doctor. Yes, ma'am. I'd like to see you. You will see me soon. Are you sure he's inside? Yes, ma'am.
Doctor.
Where's the...
Doctor, please, how is she doing? How is Nonye doing?
Oh my... She's your sister?
No, doctor, she was my neighbor.
Where is the husband? I need to speak to him immediately.
Doctor, the husband is not around, but you can talk to me. How is she doing?
Sir?
Well, any idea if she has complication in the past? Like if she's done surgery before?
She had her son with CS.
Oh, handsome boy, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Don't worry, mommy will be fine,
Sir,
okay?
please, how is my mommy?
Don't worry, she will be fine.
God, please save my mommy.
Okay, she has a severe complication with her uterus and bladder, okay? So an urgent surgery has to be done immediately before it will be too late.
Surgery? Doctor, can you save her now?
Of course we can do that. It will cost you a deposit of 200,000 naira only.
Doctor, she does not have that kind of money. She doesn't have such amount of money. Okay, can we at least just see her?
Come, just follow me. Take it easy, boy, okay? Mommy needs some rest to calm down her blood pressure, okay?
Doctor, will my mommy be fine?
Of course she will, only if you allow her to have some rest, okay? Excuse me.
It's okay.
Where am I?
You are in the hospital. Gently. Don't stress yourself.
Mommy, the doctor said you need some rest.
Yes. Take it easy, okay? Take it easy. Take it easy.
What happened to me?
I came to your house to see you. Only for me to find you lying on the ground unconscious. Lee, the doctor said you need some rest. I don't want you to stress yourself, okay?
What did the doctor say is wrong with my health?
Where is your husband?
I have not seen him since that day.
What? You mean you've not seen your husband since that time he went to Port Harcourt? Oh my God.
Am I going to be fine?
You don't do this. You have to be strong for Bobo. You have to be strong for your son. Please, don't do this, please. Everything will be fine.
No.
Just be strong. Fine. You have to be strong for the sake of your
My heart is troubled. This is is too much for Nonye. The pain is too much for Nonye. Who will help her in this situation?
Nonye, where are you going to? Where are you going to? Nonye, where are you going to?
Ovi, it's of no use staying in the hospital. Let me go and look for the money. The money will not come while I lay there. Let me just go and look for the money. Who will come to my rescue? Nobody. I don't have anybody. I don't have anybody. I have to work. I have to hustle for myself.
Nonye. Nonye, you can't do this. You can't look for the money like this. Okay, what if it gets worse? What if it gets worse?
God forbid. It will never get worse in Jesus' name. It will not. I need to go and make money to help myself.
It's okay, it's okay. Let's go. Let's leave this place. Let's leave this place.
No.
Nonye, stop it. Let's leave. We have to leave. We have to leave this place now. Let's leave here. It's okay. I don't like it when you're like this. It's okay. Let's leave this place. You're taking a huge risk. Just look at what you're doing on the road. Let's go. Don't do this. Stop it. Pick your bag. Pick your bag. Don't go.
The pain is too much for the beautiful soul. This pain is too much for this beautiful soul. She is too tender, she is too beautiful for this kind of pain. Too much for this beautiful soul. The agony is too much.
Are you okay? What's the problem? What? Jesus, sit, no, sit down, just sit, no, sit. Oh, come on, no, stop kneeling down.
Because I've come to beg you to help me. Help me, because I don't have anybody to go to. That is why I've come to you. Please help me. The doctor said I need surgery to be fine. Surgery? I don't have anybody, sir, please.
No. See what will happen. I don't have money right now, but once I get, I will let you know so that I will help you out.
Because I don't have anywhere to go.
What do you want me to do?
I don't have anywhere to go.
No, please stop crying now. Stop
please
crying.
Save me. Please, I'm begging you, sir. I'm begging you, sir. Please, I'm begging you.
What are you begging me? I don't have money.
Please,
No, please.
I don't have anywhere to run to, sir.
You look like Satan. I am not devil.
If you're not Satan, help me, please. Help me.
But why don't have money? Okay, but give her if you have. I don't have any money. Why you don't?
Jerubaka.
What do you want me to do? I don't have money.
Jerubaka.
You're breaking my heart. Stop listening. I don't have money. You doesn't understand me.
This is my last hope.
What happened to you?
I don't know. I don't know what's happened. I'm
misfortune. It just be like say I come this life to go suffer. I wish I kill myself when I get the opportunity.
No, talk like that, don't talk like that. Hey.
I don't suffer. I don't suffer.
For this one, I no fit help you. No cry, no cry. No cry, abeg. Don't worry. God go help you. God go help you. Let me talk am more.
Amen.
See, if God fit save me, God go save you too. You dey hear so? No dey cry. See, you dey pray at all? You go dey pray every day. Yeah? They pray every day. In fact, this time now na the time wey be say you need prayers. You dey hear? When you reach house this night, make you kneel down. Pray to God. Tell her wetin you want. He go do am for you. You hear?
Thank you, sir. I don't suffer.
Abeg, make I go dey go before time go dey too late. Make I dey waka. Today I no make better money, so make I dey waka. I go waka reach house. Yeah?
Make I find you small thing.
No. See now, you need this money pass me. I go reach house. No worry.
You know, sir,
I go house. You can't too much. You know, I dey call you, the lady with a golden heart. Now they call you. God go help you. You hear? Make I come dey go.
You come give me like say rain won't fall. I no go like me rain fall for you, yeah? There you go.
My son, make you take care of your mama, you hear? You're a very good woman, no?
So take care of yourself.
God will help you. God will help you. God will help you. Now 3 times now I pray for you. Make I call you go. Yeah?
The pain is too much for the beautiful soul. This pain is too much for this beautiful soul. She is too tender. She is too beautiful for this kind of pain. Too much for this beautiful soul. The agony is too much for this beautiful soul. This pain is too much for this beautiful soul. The pain is too much for the beautiful soul. This pain is too much for this beautiful soul. She is too tender. She is too beautiful for this kind of pain. Too much for this beautiful soul. The agony is too much.
So, Chief, this is a check. With that, you should be able to take off everything. Alright? Make sure you do it immediately because I don't want the woman to die. I mean, she's just too good. She's a woman with a golden heart. Okay? You need to see her.
Alright, Chief, thank you for this. Please, can you at least come inside the office? Let's sit down and discuss.
I have an appointment, actually.
Okay.
Yes. As soon as you finish doing everything, let me know.
It's okay. Every necessary arrangement will be concluded. I can assure you.
It's all right.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Have a nice day.
That guy is something else. I'm telling you. He has the power of 3 men, all in one. Listen, I am falling for him. Each time, each minute, I am falling deeply in love for him. Wow. Oh yes, he knows how to make a woman happy.
Wow, babe. You are so lucky.
Yes.
I am so jealous of you. So, where is he now?
Where else? In my bedroom. He's chilling for me.
I can imagine. You are so lucky, baby.
You can say that again.
You are. Seriously.
Chill.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello. Can I help you?
I got a letter from the High Court.
High Court?
Yes.
What's the content?
Here is it. Let me take a look.
Who is this barrister?
I've not met him in person, but I heard he's good. I may take my leave now. Thank you.
Babe, what is it?
My late husband's people wants to take over his property.
I told you this, babe. These people are so educated. Like, this family has the best lawyers in this country. You know what? I suggest you collect a reasonable amount of money and leave this country.
I beg your pardon? I cannot run away. I am a tigress.
Babe.
Come on. Never.
Babe. Remember, this man didn't marry you properly.
Will you shut up? Watch your mouth.
I know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Just leave this country. Carry as much as you can and just live for your dear life, please.
Honey? So I was wondering, when are we going to change the names and the document and other things you promised me?
We discussed about going to see your people for us to plan our traditional marriage. Since then, you haven't talked about it. Do you think it's not important?
I've spoken to my mother about that. So we need to plan it.
There is nothing to plan. We must do our traditional marriage or wed in court before talking about changing my company's names and documents to yours.
We will still go on a wedding cart.
I have to see your parents. They must know what is going on.
I know my father. He's going to ask questions about my son and my wife.
Then tell him what he needs to know. You are not a dumb kid, are you?
No. Hell. No.
Thank you.
What do you mean? Come on, no. No. Thank you.
Mama.
No.
Thank you, Mama.
No. Come on, cousin.
I didn't make home,
Come on, cousin. No.
Thank you.
What happened to your phone? And I allowed them to sit first.
What happened to your phone?
Papa, nothing happened to my phone.
You have not answered my question. Why have you not been picking your wife's calls?
Yeah. Oh, my. Allow them to sit first. Papa's really cannot.
Good afternoon, Papa.
Oh, welcome, my dear.
Thank you, sir.
Kajeta, what is going on?
Papa, nothing is going on. I'm here to see you. We are here to see you. Anyway, Papa, I'm here to see you with my woman.
Hey! Nah, I knew he would come back with something good. Come on, Malicha. Hey! No, Papa was not.
Kajeta, I want to see you at the backyard. At the backyard.
Yeah? Malicha. No.
Where is your son and your wife? Papa, they should be at home.
When last did you speak to them?
Papa, this is not why I'm here. Eh? I'm here for something else. Papa, haven't I suffered enough? Now that God has blessed me with this woman, are you not happy? Your mother again.
Just look at you. God can never bless you with evil. God can never be happy with you for what you are about to do to your wife. Simply because you have a rich concubine, you want to leave your wife.
Papa,
I am not with you on this.
Papa, it's too late. It's too late now. Because we're getting married. That's why we're here to see you.
Now listen to me. You will never get my blessings. Never.
Papa, this opportunity will not pass me by. This opportunity will not pass me by.
And hey, thank you. Welcome to my family. Hope you are my father again. Omalicha. Hello. Omalicha.
Young lady.
Yes, Papa.
My son said you are getting married soon.
Yes, Papa.
Hey! Chukwalwa, God is wonderful.
Adako, now listen, I am not talking to you. My son is married with a son.
I am aware, Papa.
Oh, you are aware? And you want to marry him?
He has every right to marry as many wives as he wants.
Not when the wife and the son are suffering. Not when I am still alive. I am out of this. Count me out.
So I will inform your kinsmen. Nah, don't worry. I'm on here. I am here for you. You know go?
Thank you.
I am Obiamaponage. Obiamaponage. I'm on here. Gidubam. You know go? You know go?
Mama, thank you.
For what one?
Ma, we have a lot to do in the office.
No
Please, I'll see you some other time. I promise. But meanwhile, I have little something for you. Please, manage this one.
All this for me?
Yes.
Oh, God bless you. Oh? God bless you. Thank you very much. I am here. Always. Now.
Mama. I'll call you.
I'm expecting your call.
Okay.
Oh, Malicha, go.
I'll call you.
Take care of yourself, go. Take care of this Malicha for me. Go, no. Take care of yourself. You know, go. God bless you.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah? Hi. Now, go. Night.
Come and eat.
How are you?
Daddy, I missed you so much.
Yeah, I missed you too.
Daddy, welcome.
Thank you.
Daddy, did you buy bags of rice and meat for me?
I did not, but I will soon.
Okay, Daddy. But, Daddy, why did you leave us all alone here? Mommy has been sick.
Go inside. I'll join you soon.
Okay, Mommy.
CJ, what have we done to you? Why did you abandon us? What have I done to you? What? She left us and we've been feeding from hand to mouth. Why? What did we do wrong?
Naya, what I'm about to tell you now might upset you, okay? It might really hurt you. And I don't want our son to hear it. So I suggest we go inside the car and talk.
Why inside the car? We can talk inside.
No. I don't want to go inside. So?
Okay.
Okay. You see, this life has a lot of dangerous twists. I don't think I will come here to see your people.
Hold on. Sorry. I don't understand.
See, Nonya, in this marriage, I noticed that we are not compatible. It's not working, okay? It might be your fault. It might be my fault. So I suggest we distance. I mean, we give ourselves a break, a space, rather.
Wait. I'm confused. What type of space are you talking about?
You are not a child, are you?
What about our son?
Oh, our son.
We have a child together.
Our son, he's going to be fine. Yes, he'll be fine. I'll see you.
CJ, please tell me you're joking, please. Please. CJ, please. CJ, please look at me. Look at my condition, please. Please, CJ, please look at me. CJ, please, I'm begging you, CJ, don't do this to me. CJ, please don't do this to me. Look at your wife. CJ, look at your wife, please. CJ, don't do this to me. Hey. Oh my God, come here.
The beautiful soul is praised too much for this beautiful soul. She is too tender. She is too beautiful. this kind of pain. Too much for this beautiful soul. The agony is too much for this beautiful soul. This pain is too much.
So all this have been happening? Eh? You didn't tell me. Look at yourself. Hi.
Why are you talking to me like this? Why are you sounding this way to me? I didn't know it was going to get to this point. I didn't know.
Look at yourself. You've been passing through these things. Eh? You've been passing through this sickness. You don't even bother to tell your mother. Eh? So I should be clapping for you. Eh? You didn't even bother to tell me, to let me know. Eh?
I just want to make this stop again. I didn't want to bother you. I wanted to bear this on my own. I wanted to bear it on my own because I know you don't have the money. I know you don't have the money to give me. So I did not want to disturb you. That is why I decided to bear the whole thing.
In that case, you have to go and tell your father-in-law everything.
No, Mama, no. I won't go there.
Why?
Mama, the last time I went there, you need to have seen the way my mother-in-law treated me here. She almost shred me into pieces. I don't know.
This time around I'll go with you. Let us kill both of us together. Here.
No. Honey, what is this?
It's a very long story.
Please just go and sit down. Honey, please sit down.
Like she told you, it's a very long story. My daughter came back to the house and told me that your son told her that the marriage is over. Now you're the man. The man? Eh? The man?
Kazeta did that.
Oh. And now, they go to, it's the reason my daughter is in this condition.
I say, it's a lie. I say, it is daughter's infidelity that caused her this condition. Yes. So don't blame my son for your misfortune.
I did not invite you into the discussion, so keep quiet. Shut up, Adam.
No, not shut up. Why they destroy my son's name? I say they should take their course back home. My son says he doesn't want to marry again. No. You cannot hang your daughter on my son's neck. Cross here, carry your cross and go home. You know what?
It's okay, my in-law. Nah, it's okay. Now I know that I come with 2 minutes to ever not go. So bad, eh?
Pano, me leke ba pe wagulu. Pano, sinema no mamle popa. Pulu cross, okay? Oba no people. Pulu your cross, but carry your cross. Go home.
Let's go. I never own them.
Silifi in this pano no now. Adak, Olia, Adak, Olia, we come my favors from me. Snap and boss is so.
You think
go.
You think
go.
Adak. Okay. So what do I
choro. Go.
Cry, my daughter.
Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Adieu. Adieu.
Rapuanya, thinking rapia, leave a tabi.
Leave my house now. Phone is because believe us na bempoa.
I should help you hold it.
cry now. Don't cry. Oh, mom.
My friend, keep quiet.
I will not. I will not keep.
Metrano here now.
Okay,
Metrano.
No, I asked them Metrano. Don't tell me to Metrano. Don't tell me that.
Dago, again, what was that you displayed now?
Gene.
So you want to tell me you are the man of this house?
Since you cannot speak, I will speak for you. Yes.
Adako. Adako.
Now, Pam.
What is this? Good evening, ma. I have been waiting for you.
For what?
I've been looking for my husband since the day he told me he was going to Port Harcourt with you. Till today, I have not seen him. Please, I'm looking for him. I need him to come help me or I may die.
I beg your pardon. Do I look like your husband's keeper?
Ma, that's not what I'm trying to say.
And what are you trying to say?
Ma, please, I don't know if you saw him, if he's with, probably, because he said he was going to Port Harcourt with you. So, I don't know if maybe people are back and...
Oh, shh! Now, you listen to me. I do not know how you got here, but I want you to use the same means, turn around, and leave this place at once. Out.
Please.
Out! I said get out!
I need him to go to my rescue or may die.
Oh, please, get out! And turn on my car. Get out!
Please! Ma, please, I'm begging you, please help me. Please help me, help me. Ma, please, please. I'm begging you, did you see my husband? Oh, please, I'm looking for my husband. Oh, please, I'm begging you. Please, ma. Please, ma, I'm begging you. Ah! Ah! Hey. Oh my God! Oh my God!
This life is not fair to her.
Oh, God.
Will you help me? Will I run to? Will I run to?
You made impossibility to become possible. Batara yo senye maka ochim. Piano fichaya nyanu no biya tikwocha.
Hey! Will I run to?
Madam, oh, Simone, why are you here? We've been looking for you everywhere. We went to your address, the address you gave us on your card. We couldn't find you. We've been looking for you. What happened?
Doctor, I don't have the money yet. I have not gotten the money yet.
Madam, all bill has been paid. You have nothing to worry about. Yes.
Doctor, what did you just say?
The bill has been paid. Yes, a certain man came. He doesn't want us to disclose his identity. He cleared the bill. So you have nothing to worry about. Let's go. Come with me. Please.
Come with me. Thank you.
man, he doesn't want us to disclose his identity.
Oh my goodness. Are you sure?
Please. You have nothing to worry about. Trust me.
You remove this thing?
Yes, just hop in.
You remove it?
Yes. Don't worry, okay? Everything will be fine.
That you are happy for mommy.
Yes, I'm happy for you.
At least not going to keep begging anymore for me to get money for treatment.
Yes.
Doctor.
Wow. How are you, little boy? You're awake now, madam.
I am.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, doctor. Thank you. Doctor.
Yes.
Who is this man you said that paid my hospital bill? Because I would like to see him, at least to show my appreciation.
Never mind. He instructed me not to disclose his identity. Okay? So don't worry.
It's okay. But please, help me tell him I said, my God bless him.
Amen.
Help me tell him I said, my God will continue to bless him and his generation.
Amen.
Hi.
Don't worry.
I'm so happy.
He will hear of that, okay? Alright, madam. I'll be in my office. In case you need anything, don't hesitate to let me know.
I don't need anything for now.
Okay, it's fine. No problem. You guys have fun. I will check back on you, okay?
Okay, sir.
So just be fine, please. Okay? Alright.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye.
Hey, I'm so happy.
I'm happy for you too, mommy.
I know.
I love you.
I love you too.
Hiya, sweet orange.
Hey!
Hey!
My daughter!
Papa! Papa! You know.
Hey, my daughter! Evening, my son! How are they?
Papa, you're looking good, Joe.
Hey.
You're even smiling.
Are they happy? Are they happy? Are they here since they wait for you? Because I don't say you must pass. Because I got good news for you.
Good news.
Yes, so.
For me?
Yes.
Okay. Waiting me that.
I don't get job for you. Don't love that job. Better job. We go put food for table for you and your pikin.
Papa! Now which kind of job be that? I tell me make I hear.
No. When we reach there, you go see for yourself.
Okay. He said I need job. Where will they go, Nana?
Where we go? Where we go?
Okay.
Hey. Hey, I'm happy today. I will carry this one, make I put this one inside. Hey.
Sweet orange! Hiya, orange! Sweet orange! Hiya, sweet orange!
They say I'm cleaner, wanted. So they have this.
Papa,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You no need to thank me too much. You know say kindness, it be like river. If they flow, they go. If they flow, they come.
You're always saying this.
What do you do for me so? I don't get money where I fit to pay you back. Now the small thing I fit do, now I do so.
Papa, thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate this. This means a lot. Thank you.
So tomorrow you go come look for the owner.
No, not tomorrow. I'll just go now. Yes, now someone might come and take it before tomorrow. Yeah, so let me just knock now and try.
Okay. Okay. I'm asking you again. Did anybody come for the job today?
Yes, sir. Okay. Now one idiot. Yes, one girl. She no come, she begin show me say she be tiger. Begin the fight. Show me say she get power. Now I deal with her. Because see, I tell one old man, one wretched man, make you leave my gate. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Me?
Jolo. Okay. How many times have I told you not to be rude to people?
Hey, okay, you know me too well. I don't feel do anything like that. Now she face the rude to me. Now I show and I give her bag, garbage in, garbage out, give and take. Now I do there. You know, I don't do like that. Okay, you know me too well.
Jolo.
Okay.
You have to go and look for that lady and bring her back if you still love your job with me.
Okay, this one now, I know she'll say it's possible. Now one part be that. It don't be possible. Because she's a fighter. A fighter she be. This one feel come begin fight for Ghana. I don't want me to happen because one from my hand like this.
Okay. Will you shut up? Did you hear what I said? I said you will go out there, look for that lady and bring her back. If you still love your job. Do you understand me? Yes. Idiot!
We will punish that man. That old man will make me, will cause this problem now. We will punish her.
What did you say?
What I don't say. Let me go and look for her.
Get out! Idiot, come here. Okay. I'm giving you 2 days. 2 days for you to go and look for that lady and bring her back. If not, kiss your job goodbye. Idiot! Get out!
This one will just make Oga dey shout for me anyhow. It's like I will go back to my country. I wait at this year. Where I even see this woman now?
No, no.
Okay, come here.
Oh, yeah, you. I'm only jam. And now, one way. And now, what does it say? Eh? How? Oh, man. Thank you. No. Hey.
Have a good day.
Kajeta, I sent for you for more than 1 week. You did not come. What is the problem? Why did you send a letter of divorce to your wife without informing us?
What do you mean by that? He informed us. I told you he said he was going to do that.
Shut up, woman! Shut up! Why are you lying against me? Okay, man, Enom Najaka. Enom Najaka, be careful with me. Enom Najaka. Now listen to me, Kajeta. Whatever you are doing with her, count me out.
And this one you came unannounced. I hope all is well.
Yes, Mama. All is well. We came with good news.
Good news?
Yes. And the good news is that we bought you a very small car for you to be managing.
Well, that's your car over there.
Hey! Timo! Hey! Timo!
Yes, it's your car. It's your car. Mama, you can go inside and look at it very well.
Hey! My penny, I don't know. I can't open it.
It's open.
Where is it open?
Dear Mayo. What go on?
Azamu. Nayo. That honor. William. Why would God bless you?
Thank you.
I know something good has come into my family since you came in, and God will continue to bless you. Wherever you got this money from, just God will multiply it. Now multiply, and I can now multiply. Come and teach me how to drive the car.
There won't be any need for that, Mama, because I wouldn't want you to stress yourself, driving here and there. So we already paid for a driver that will be carrying you starting tomorrow.
Driver?
Yes, Mama.
Yes.
Oh, he told me. Okay, he will start tomorrow. Yes. Yes, Ma. Thank you, Ma.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go inside.
Now you can't come and see my car. Of water. Of water.
With a heart of gold. A selfless woman with a pure heart. A beautiful woman with a pure heart. A poor woman with a heart of gold. God, why all these troubles? Why all these pains? My heart is broken.